Beneath the ground, in tunnels carved by jaws and instinct, a civilization is rising, the empire of the fire ants. They are small, yet unstoppable. Soldiers, workers, and queens, each born for one purpose: conquest. Their world is built on precision and order. Each ant is part of a design more complex than any machine. Communication happens without sound, pheromone trails map the terrain, commands travel faster than thought. Above the surface, they move like rivers of fire, spreading across forests, fields, and cities. Their expansion is relentless. Once they claim a territory, nothing, not even fire, can stop them. To the human eye, they seem chaotic, but to nature they are a perfect war machine. Each ant sacrifices itself for the colony, defending its queen with unshakable loyalty. And beneath it all, in the deepest chamber, the queen waits, the heart of the empire, the mother of millions. She is fed, cleaned, and guarded like a living god. Every life in the colony beats for her survival. From her armies are born waves of red life, ready to conquer the earth above. The fire ant empire has risen, and the world above is about to feel its power. At the center of the fire ant empire lies the queen, massive, hidden, and eternal. She is not just a ruler, she is the source of every life in the colony. Her body pulses with life. Every second, she gives birth to dozens of eggs, soldiers, workers, future queens. She never moves. Her survival depends on those around her caretakers who feed, clean, and defend her with absolute devotion. If she dies, the empire collapses. Her scent, the invisible signal of order, disappears, and chaos consumes the nest. But when her scent fills the tunnels, everything works like a perfect machine: communication, defense, and attack flow like blood through veins. The soldiers are her shield, fierce, armored, and born only to kill. Their jaws cut like blades, their venom burns like fire. When an intruder enters the nest, the colony responds instantly. Thousands rush in silence, guided by her invisible command. The queen's pheromones are like language orders written in scent, perfectly understood by millions. Each soldier's death means nothing. The empire lives on. The queen's will is immortal. In her darkness, the queen feels no fear, no emotion, only purpose. She is the pulse of war beneath the soil. Every battle, every victory above ground begins with her heartbeat below it. The queen commands no army with words. She simply exists, and the earth itself moves in obedience. When two empires meet beneath the soil, peace is impossible. The war of the fire ants has begun. Their armies rise like rivers of flame, flooding the tunnels with bodies and venom. Each soldier knows only one command: advance. There is no retreat, no mercy, no hesitation. The ground itself trembles as thousands move as one, a living weapon of nature. Scouts mark enemies with chemical trails, summoning reinforcements from tunnels below. The enemy colony retaliates. Waves of red and black collide in chaos. The air fills with acid and heat, a storm of scent, venom, and will. The wounded are carried away. The fallen become part of the soil. Even death feeds the empire. From above, it looks like chaos, but every move is part of an ancient strategy. No sound, no mercy, just the rhythm of battle written in the dust. Hours later, silence returns. The victors drag the spoils below, eggs, larvae, and prisoners. In the Fire Ant Empire, war never ends. It only waits beneath our feet. After the storm of battle, silence returns. But in the ruins of war, the builders awaken. The survivors gather the fallen, clearing the tunnels, carrying fragments of life back to the heart of the colony. They rebuild with precision, grain by grain. The earth becomes a fortress once more. Each ant knows its task without orders, guided by scent, vibration, and memory. The architecture of the colony is not planned, it grows, adapting to every threat and every scar left by war. Air vents rise to cool the nest. Moisture chambers form to protect the larvae. Every structure serves a purpose. As they rebuild, they expand. Their empire stretches across roots, stones, and soil veins. To the human eye, it's chaos. To them, it's perfect design. Chaos organized by instinct. They recycle everything, soil, enemies, even their dead. Nothing is wasted in the empire. From ashes they build again, and stronger than before. The ground above looks peaceful, but below it, construction never ends. This is the secret of the Fire Ant Empire. They turn destruction into design, chaos into life. The war is over. The soil is quiet again, but beneath the silence, an empire still breathes. Each survivor becomes a builder, each scar a lesson. This is how the empire endures, not through peace, but through adaptation. Generation after generation, the colony grows, reshaping the earth itself with its endless hunger for survival. They are the engineers of soil, the recyclers of death, the invisible architects of balance. Even in fire, they find life. When flames devour the forest, the colony dives deep and waits. When the smoke clears, they rise again, stronger, faster, more united. Their empire has no borders, no mercy, no rest, only purpose. They conquer by persistence, not power, by sheer will to survive. In their unity lies their strength, an army born from instinct, not ambition. Their colonies breathe life into the earth, aerating, feeding, and reshaping the world beneath our feet. Humans build cities of steel, ants build civilizations of dust, and yet theirs may outlast ours. The Fire Ant Empire will never end, it simply changes shape, waiting beneath the soil. The architects of war forever building life from ashes. Beneath our feet, entire civilizations rise and fall, built not by humans, but by nature's most tireless engineers. If the hidden empires of the wild fascinate you, join us. Subscribe to Dr. Wildlife Lab and discover the intelligence, beauty, and power that shape our planet in silence.